Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug your iPhone into power and confirm battery is at or above 50% because updates pause on low charge. Next, check the Wi-Fi connection. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to clear transient network glitches. Make sure you have 500 plus MB free. If not, offload photos or delete a few apps. These actions remove the most common blockers and prepare the device to resume the update without waiting or failing repeatedly. If the update still stalls, restart the phone. On modern devices, perform a force restart to clear hung processes. This often lets the installer continue. If that fails, delete the partially downloaded update via settings right arrow general right arrow iPhone storage. Then retry download so you have a clean file. When over-the-air attempts fail, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to update. This bypasses OTA issues and uses a verified image, which fixes corruption and dependency problems that block installation. Once the install completes, verify the new iOS version in settings and make sure apps launch normally. If your device gets stuck on the Apple logo or a boot loop, enter recovery mode and restore using Finder/iTunes. This reinstalls iOS cleanly. Make sure you have a recent backup, iCloud, or an encrypted local backup, because restore can wipe data. If problems persist, note any error codes and try the restore again. Otherwise, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.